Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm doing a Bible journaling page on Psalm 136, verse 1. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, for his mercy endureth forever. Psalm 136 is a good psalm to read about God's mercy enduring forever. And it also goes into some things that the Lord has done and that he does. So I suggest reading all of it. I'm not going to read the entire psalm, but the verse for his mercy endured forever, that part of verse 1, it's repeated throughout the psalm. So you'll see that it's in every verse. For his mercy endureth forever. What I used to do this video, to do this Bible journaling page, is washi tape. I use 4 sets of washi tape. But I also use like some punches. I use some punches. I also use some letter dies. So I use different items to make the elements, but the only, how can I say, like paper item I used was I didn't use any stickers. I just used the washi tape. I laid the washi tape down on some paper, which you probably already saw by this time, and I also laminated it with some laminating sheets. Only one side was laminated. That way, I can stick the elements down without a problem. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to just play some music. I'm not going to talk. At the end of the video, I do have like a little bit of some praise dance snippets, because I was doing some praise dancing to this song and I included it in the video, but not throughout this process. But at the end, you'll see like small bits of it in my closing. Okay, so that's it. So with that being said, I pray that you are blessed by the video. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.
I've forgotten the words that you have spoken, promises that burn within my heart have now grown dim. With a doubting heart I follow paths of earthly wisdom. Forgive me for my unbelief, renew the fire again. Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy I've forgotten the words that you have spoken, promises that burn within my heart have now grown dim. With a doubting heart I follow paths of earthly wisdom. Forgive me for my unbelief, renew the fire again. Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, have mercy Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, have mercy. Christ, have mercy. Lord, have mercy on me. Jesus, I've forgotten the words that you have spoken, promises that burn within my heart have now grown dim. With a doubting heart I follow paths of earthly wisdom. Forgive me for my in belief. Renew the fire again.